Okay, hi there world. I recently, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes ago? Not even. Okay, so less than 10 minutes ago, I discovered I can sound like a rabid cat. Yeah, I discovered I can sound like a rabid cat. Who can sound like a rabid cat? That's me. I can sound like a rabid cat. Okay, well, I'm sure you're all wondering what this sounds like, so I'm gonna demonstrate. Okay, ready? Let's see if I can do this because, it's intense. Okay, ready? There you have it. I sound like a rabid cat. I don't even know. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and I don't even know. Okay, well, goodbye then.